A moment of joy can arrive at any time that requires a perfect shot. Are you tired of taking that perfect shot again and again? Introducing Domono Smart Case, the next evolution of wearable cameras. Domono is rewriting the rules with its innovative camera and case combo. It's part action camera, part smartphone case, delivering high-definition footage that can be streamed to your favorite social media platforms in real time. Whether you're hunting for the perfect shot, capturing a killer dance for a TikTok video, or live streaming a special event, Domono is always with you, ready to seize life's most important moments. Clip it, dip it, stow it, swing it, and stand it. The Domono Smart Case is a state-of-the-art phone case with a stick and chic design. It features a detachable 4K fully resolution camera and a 180-degree hinge. Fully protected by scratch-resistant Gorilla Glass, our innovative detachable camera is perfect for those one-of-a-kind shots. Domono is equipped with voice command AI capabilities to snap your shot hands-free. Amazing, right? Need a shot in the rain or to take a splash by the pool? No problem. Domono can be immersed in up to 1 meter of water for sporadic periods. Say goodbye to bulky action cameras. Domono Smart Case embraces a flexible style with a wide variety of streaming capabilities that effortlessly sync with your smartphone. Live, click, and share. It's always with you, making Domono the ultimate tech tool for visual creators or anyone seeking a simple, personal security option. Domono also provides premium subscriptions and exclusive collaborations with renowned celebrities and influencers.
I love my Domino because my point of view matters.
I love my Domino because my point of view matters.
I love my Domino because my point of view matters.
Yes, your point of view matters to us, and that's why we created Domono. We're on a journey to make your every moment a masterpiece. Join us in revolutionizing how we capture and share our world. Domono, always with you to capture the moment.